Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So I want to show you some stuff I've been doing in the house here over the last week or so, and where it is in the shop. So I'll get the camera turned around and we'll show you what we've been up to. So, as you know, I own a 3D printer. So over the past week, I've been printing brackets and holders for all my Milwaukee batteries. So these are the brackets I've printed for the M12 batteries. And these are the brackets here that I've printed for the 18 volt batteries. So they just have a little slot in them here. And the batteries just drop in like so. So I've got all my batteries hung up on here, or most of them. And then the larger batteries, higher capacity ones for the M12 tools, has a little bit different bracket. So again, I've 3D printed these. So yeah, I finally got most of my batteries hung up on the wall here, and I'm just printing another one of these, and I think I have a few more of these larger batteries with my other saws that I need to hang up in here. But yeah, so I've got batteries hung up here, the charging station, so looks pretty good. And I'll take you over to the bench here, kind of show you some other 3D projects. So this is a 3D T-Rex skull that I printed, and a 3D egg that just opens up like this. We did some of these for the grandkids. And another 3D T-Rex skull that's painted in a little bit different color. I've got a little bit larger one in the house that I showed on the channel last year. But again, these 3D skulls mounted are for sale. So if you guys would like to purchase one, they take about a week to print, and they're on a basically a sandstone base. Hit me up in the comments, and I can certainly get back to you with a price on these, and we can go from there. So yeah, there we have it, some 3D projects that I've printed. So thanks again everybody for watching this 3D printed video. Remember to like, share, and hit that subscribe button. I'm 2 subscribers away from 700. So let's try to make that happen before the new year. All you got to do is hit that subscribe button. Get me to 700 before January 1st, 2024. It's greatly appreciated. I enjoy reading your comments and replying to you guys. It's been a great run so far. Once again, thanks a ton. Remember to like, share, and hit that subscribe button. And we'll see you guys on the next one. See you later. Bye.